Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem a code in Township. If you need to redeem a code in Township, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open up the Township app on your device, and once you're in this home section, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now in the pop-up, click on the gear icon, and in the settings menu, you will see enter promo code button. Tap on it and then enter the redemption code in the text box. Make sure you enter the redemption code correct and click on confirm. Now once your code is correct, you will be able to successfully redeem it. After redeeming the code, you'll receive rewards such as coins, cash, or other in-game items. So that is how you can easily redeem a code in Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.